My name is Gerard Morson. I'm an associate of the firm. I joined Turner Freeman Lawyers in September of 2015 and I practice at the Penrith office. I always knew I wanted to be a lawyer, particularly in those senior high school years when I was studying legal studies in English, and I really enjoyed speaking, I really enjoyed reading, and those skills I found out at university really translated into a love of the law. I practice in personal injury law. I have experience in criminal law and some general civil litigation. I've always found my way back to personal injury law because it's a very fulfilling, professionally and intellectually area of the law. There's nothing better I enjoy than solving a very difficult case and getting a great result for a deserving client in very difficult circumstances, particularly financially. The area of personal injury law is quite diverse. It requires you to go to a number of courts and tribunals, as well as do other intersecting areas of law such as contract law with superannuation claims, total and permanent disability claims. There's also challenges in everything we do, from a workers' compensation claim to a motor vehicle accident to a public liability claim and even medical negligence. All these claims and cases have their own particular difficulties and obstacles, and a lot of the time they're like a giant puzzle trying to put them together, and it's very rewarding when you work hard on these cases and you win your case or can obtain a very good settlement or result for your client in the circumstances. Turner Freeman have been successful for the past 60 years, in my view, because of their values of hard work, honesty, integrity and value. That focus, I think, from all practitioners that I've seen in the firm has been integral to Turner Freeman's success. The question about whether there is any concern or fear even litigating these large companies, particularly from perhaps a Western Sydney firm, I think is unfounded. It's not a David and Goliath battle. It's a matter of applying legal reasoning and legal expertise to the particular problem that you have in the particular case that you have, and no matter what resources are thrown at me, I'm happy to litigate these claims and take them as far as they need to get the right outcome for my client. As a Gen Y lawyer, I think I bring a lot of different and unique skill sets to the law that older practitioners may not have. I'm very good with technology. I can research a problem on the computer and find a solution generally to that problem quite quickly. My skills obviously are not only limited to technology, but I'm very happy to call a colleague, a partner, a friend to try and find a solution to the problem, and I'm happy to take all different approaches to try and find a solution. I'm also very hard-working, and those skills together I find put me in a pretty good place as a Gen Y lawyer. I'm very lucky to practice in the Penrith area. I was born in Penrith. I attended school, both primary and secondary school in Penrith. I studied at St Dominic's College, Kingswood, which is in the Penrith area. I also attended university at Penrith and Parramatta through the University of Western Sydney. After university, I was able to initially practice in Penrith for a period of about 5 years before moving to a bigger firm in Liverpool. After working at that bigger firm in Liverpool, I saw an opportunity to get back to my local community and started working for Turner Freeman in Penrith again in September of 2015. And I haven't looked back since, and I'm very lucky again to be able to practice in the area where I've grown up in and loved my whole life.